Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all his ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Trust in the Lord with all your heart.
Salig sa Ginoo ang tanan, ayaw pagsalig sa kaugalingon mo.
Sa tanang buhaton mo, ilhang Ginoo. Salig sa Ginoo ang tanan. Trust him through the dark.